This is the Space One Pro, a pair of portable Bluetooth headphones from Soundcore, and it actually has a number of features built in that I'm excited to take a look at. I do want to say I purchased these myself, so the video has not been sponsored, and today we're going to start with an unboxing, and then I'm going to set them up with you and give you my first impressions. But one of the things that Soundcore are actually marketing the Space One Pros for are their portability, and I'm going to show you how these can fold down in order to be carried about in a travel bag or even a pocket. So I will just pop these on to see how they feel, initially, and yet they are very, very comfortable. They're not pushing against my ears or applying any undue pressure. Sometimes when you first put a pair of headphones on for the first time, then you can just tell straight away that they're not going to be comfortable to wear for extended periods. But I do think that's not going to be the case here, as there is very little pressure on the sides of my head. But as you can see, there's also adjustability on both sides of the headband here as well. So I do suspect these will fit most people's heads quite comfortably. They are boasting up to 40 hours of use off a single charge, and that's with the active noise cancellation enabled. If you turn that off, apparently these can give you up to 60 hours of battery life. But it's not just about how long they last on a full battery charge, but the fact that these are also super fast charging, giving you up to 8 hours of use after, get this, just 5 minutes of charge time. So even if you forget to charge these, for example, the night before commuting to work, just stick them on charge for 5 minutes in the morning, and they're going to keep you going throughout the entire day. Now, it also seems that Soundcore love the number 4, because right here we have 4-stage active noise cancellation, which they are promising is going to be even more effective. And we also have a 4-way mic system here for when you are making your hands-free calls. But just before we get these connected, let me show you how portable they are. You can fold these down and just look how awesome and portable that is. Okay, so having just turned these on, they've immediately gone into Bluetooth pairing mode, and as you can see, have popped up on my Android device here. And I will just show you the app here. So you can enable or disable the noise cancellation with the touch of a finger. So I could select this to normal mode, for example, if I don't care about that noise cancellation, or I could set to transparency mode. And my goodness, that makes a difference. My voice is coming through so much more cleanly now in the transparency mode with these headphones on. That's absolutely fantastic. I tell you what, this is some serious tech that Soundcore have managed to put in here. But it works fantastically. It's hard to describe, but if you are in an environment where you do need that transparency of your ambient surroundings coming through, then that's definitely going to be a mode for you. Noise cancellation, of course, is the opposite, so that is going to mute the ambient noise to some degree. But for now, let's just keep it in normal mode. Okay, we do also have sound effects as well, so we can enable Dolby audio. That's awesome. And Hear ID sound, I won't go through that now, but that will allow you to custom tailor the headphones for your ears to give you the best possible sound that you are going to be able to hear. So by all means, go through the Hear ID sound setup in the app. And then we can adjust some of the equalizer presets as well. So Soundcore Signature is the default, but there are other options there, or we can customize our equalizer settings also. But for now, I'm going to keep it on the default setting. And I'm just currently listening to some music over the Bluetooth connection here to my phone using these headphones. And I know I can't really sample that for you because they are headphones. But I've got to say, I'm impressed with the audio quality here. The actual drivers that I used are trip drivers, I believe they're known as. But let me tell you, they do pack quite a punch, and I can really feel the bass in these as well. But I do just want to go ahead and test something involving voices, such as a podcast, to see the clarity of voice that you can expect as well, because I do tend to listen to a lot of podcasts myself. And yes, the voice clarity there is actually very, very good. No issues whatsoever. The sound quality is probably better than I expected, to tell you the truth. There's actually a little bit more bass here than I thought there was going to be. And the Bluetooth connection, of course, is very strong. And the fact that we have those functions within the app as well is really convenient. But of course, you do have the buttons on the headphones themselves in order to make various adjustments. For example, to turn on and off the active noise cancellation or the transparency mode. And they are just so comfortable to wear. The fact that they are portable as well, meaning that you can just pop these even into your pocket. They are available in the white colour, which I've chosen, or in black. But folks, this is the Space One Pro, not a bad pair of headphones, and if you're in the market for something such as this, then this model is definitely worth checking out.